And we are going to be seeing his failure in those endeavors that he's trying in a very drastic manner very soon. And I also realize he's very emaciated. He has no energy. And I would ask those people who are close to him, please, just let Raila take a break. He needs a health break. Looks like he's completely sick. He needs to be given some time to go and recover and maybe be taken to hospital to have some checkups. At his age, it is expected that he could have such issues, and therefore we would just ask him to take a break and let the younger people do the work for him. Finally, on this issue of mahindi, we're just about to start harvesting. And he must realize, him and his brigade must realize that sisi sio punda ya mtu. You cannot be meeting at Kamukunji while other people are busy planting. And when the maize is ready, you want that maize at the price that you want. Our farmers have been working very hard and they need to see benefits from to reap benefits from their farms. And therefore this calls for mahindi to be sold at throwaway price is not welcome from our people. Our people do not want to hear that. Our people want to sell a bag of maize at 5,000, 6,000 shillings. They also need money. They have children to take to school, and their only livelihood is going to those farms and farm. So please, wewe kama uliona mahindi ikipandwa na watu wengine, wewe ukaenda kupiga kengele na kuvaa kofia kwa kichwa, kuvaa sufuria kwa kichwa, ni shida yako. Sisi mahindi tumeweka na tunauza bei kali. Sasa nyinyi mjipange. Huko kwa mbele. Sisi, we want, this country belongs to all of us.